I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go, higher powers taking hold on me.
So hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you that how to make this video. So let's start. Open the CapCut. Now add 16 pics. Add music. Pictures duration. Split the 8th picture to 0.1 seconds, 1.6 seconds, and add key animation like this. Split the 9th picture 0.9, 1.4. Pictures duration, 10 0.7 seconds. Split the 11th picture 2.1 seconds, 0.7 seconds. And add key animation like this. Pictures duration 12th to 13th 1 point per second. Split the 14th picture 6s, 9s. 15th pictures duration 1.3 seconds. 16th pictures duration to point per second. And add key animation like this. Add animation. Add this.
If you like this video, so please subscribe for more.